Hello friends, and welcome back. This week we are going to do a little journal prep. So a few videos back, I think, I'll link it here, I had said how I had bought this journal and I wasn't sure what to use it for, and it was kind of just sitting on my shelf being admired but not used. So I've decided to use this for Self-Love September. One, because pink is one of my favorite colors and it reminds me of like rose quartz, and rose quartz is like a healing crystal and it amplifies self-love, so it kind of jumped off from there. Here I'm just showing you how inside it's also perfect because it's very soft and feminine and it's Barbies in all the pages. So yeah, I'm going to just quickly, hopefully, show you all how I like to break in a new journal. So I've gathered some things here, and one of them is this really cute like pin pal, I think it's called, pin, very clever, from Susie. I am in her Happy Mail tier, and this is some stuff I got from Megan last Halloween. We did a little mail exchange, so she sent me the cutest little ephemera book. And then I have like these glitter patches that I made. I just spread glitter gel on sticker paper and made those. I have some more Happy Mail from Susie. I have some more stuff from Megan. For some reason my shopping list is here, don't know why. And then I have another postcard from Megan. So I really want to put this here. However, it's like a bound, so I didn't really want to washi tape in because it is ring bound. So I thought that I would somehow figure out a way to kind of MacGyver this so that it would fit in there. But first, stickers, as always. So I had these stickers that came as free gifts in like this little set of drawers I bought off Temu, and I was like, I really don't want to put these on the drawers. So I just grabbed everything that came in that free pack, and I'm going to use absolutely every last sticker on these sheets on this cover. So basically this is me sort of trying to figure out where I want these stickers. So I should probably talk a little bit how this all relates to self-love. I am working with my inner child when I use stickers. I feel like I'm sort of going back to child me and giving myself a big hug, and there were definitely times as a child that I felt threatened, I want to say. So this is me going back to child version of me and just saying it's gonna be fine, you know, in a few years it'll be fine. So stickers is a way that I do that. I still use stickers to this day to kind of soothe myself or soothe my anxiety. And if I'm having like a rough day, mental health wise, or just like in general bad day, I can sit down and do some sticker journaling and I just feel better instantly. I don't know why, I just do. Next up are these little like capuchons, because they're flat backed but they're like squishy and rubbery, and I love these. Like I need to get more of these, but these were part of that free Temu gift, and I struggled with where I wanted to place these because I like them kind of clumped together, but then I also like them spread apart, so I can't remember what I did. Well, I'm looking at the journal now, so I clumped them all together, but again, this is like that sticker therapy that I was talking about earlier. So I zoomed in a little bit so you can see a little bit better what I'm doing here. Just basically placement, and as you saw, I'm still trying to figure out placement. So we're going to fast forward to when they're all placed. Okay, so here we go, final sticker, no backsies, and we're all done. I think this is all I do to this cover. I just really like the Barbie image on there, so I didn't want to cover it up too much. I'm still playing with it, but I just ended up going into the inside, and we're gonna figure out how am I gonna get this card in here. Okay guys, if you are ever in this dilemma, I've got you. So basically, I'm just going to mark where the rings are so that I can use my manual hole puncher, because yes, I do not have a hole punch, but secondly, I don't think there is a hole punch anywhere that would create this many holes at once. So I'm just going to go ahead and make one hole for each little line that I created. Sorry for any scratchiness in my voice, I'm getting over a cold, but basically now I'm gonna cut little slits between the edge of the postcard and the holes I just made, and that's gonna create some functionality so that you can just pop it in right to those rings. That's a neat trick for you if you ever are wanting to add more pages to a ring bound journal like this. I would not recommend it with like a thinner paper, but with cardstock it definitely works. And we're back at the cover, and I just wanted to add these little rhinestones that Megan had sent me because I just thought they fit really well with the color scheme. And I'm pretty sure that's all I add to this cover. I think I add something to the back, possibly. We'll see. Oh yes, I will add this mushroom to the back cover just because it's so cute, and I always like a little sticker hiding in the back just as a little surprise for yourself in the future. I know that may sound lame, but it's just fun, you know? We're just having fun here, guys. We're just having fun. And here we're back on the inside. I'm going to do the same thing that I did with Megan's postcard with Susie's postcard. And I'm going to stick that in as well as another little page. So next is our little charm that we're going to make here. And so I'm going to use the pin that I got, that little smiley heart. And I was like, how am I going to make this a charm? Because it's a pin and I don't want to push it through the cover because it's hard and I didn't want to break the pin. It's like a clay pin. So I decided that I can just pin him to some fabric, and then I can attach the fabric with a little bolt pin because it's a ring binding. So that's another neat trick for you guys if you are ever wanting to use a pin as a journal charm. You can just cut a piece of fabric. The sturdier the better. This is some vinyl, some glitter vinyl, and you can pin it onto that piece of fabric, and then you can hang that fabric from your rings. Okay, so we're good to go. He's looking super cute on there. Next we're going to tackle our little ephemera book. I really want to put this in here somewhere, so I figured that the best way to attach this so that it's removable if I ever want to remove it is with some Velcro dots. So this is how I like to apply Velcro dots. I put one facing to me, and then I put the matching one right on what I'm gonna stick, because then I can sort of figure out placement and then push down, and I'll know for sure that the dots are aligned, because sometimes if you put the Velcro dot way too far up or too far over, then whatever you're gonna stick on there is gonna kind of stick out of your book. So that's just how I like to do it. And here I'm just testing it out, and it works great. I'm really excited that I get to have a little like interactive piece in my self-love journal. And I think this is pretty much it. I'm gonna be having a prompt a week here on YouTube working in this journal, and then I'll have 2 of them over on my Patreon. So feel free to join in on the ones here if you want to check out my Patreon. The link is going to be always in my description. I want to thank you guys so much for stopping by. I love you so much, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.